What's up guys, I'm the East Coaster fan. Today is Tuesday, July 28th, which is going to be a very historic day in the history of this park, as we are finally going to get the reveal for the long-awaited Project Purple. I am honored to say that I've been invited by Six Flags Great Adventure to be a part of this announcement date. So come with me as we learn, finally, what exactly Project Purple is. Even right now, they are still continuing to work on Project Purple. Job's not done yet. Once again, I'm truly honored as part of East Coaster fan to be a part of this historic Great Adventure Day. But it is always weird entering this park at very early hours. Right now, it's like 8:30 in the morning. And it's not just roller coaster enthusiasts and news outlets. You could see a bunch of these people in purple vests as part of the Project Purple charity. You know, I thought it was just for the charity, but I was given a lanyard and a vest as well, so I guess it's for everybody. Here we are. Here's the Purple Fit Check. Look at this. They're even doing like maintenance work, like painting the back of the sign before the park opens. And this is something like you only see like when exiting. And just like that, we are in Great Adventure. So let's head to the boardwalk and see what's up. In 1 hour, we will learn what the heck you are actually called. Because it's an hour until they actually announce it, they did open up the Shoreline Pier for us. I never made a video on Shoreline Pier, so let's go officially explore it on the channel. Full disclosure, I have been to Great Adventure a few times since Shoreline has opened, but I've never officially shown the changes like these restaurants along the side here. I've even eaten at Riptide and it's really good. Highly recommend it. Oh my gosh, look at this. They set up a whole screen for the announcement later, and there's a band playing over there. Wow, there is a lot going on in this area. Take a look at that full stage too. Never actually investigated it, but I think a crate has randomly shown up inside the park with a dangerous sea creature present. It's never too early for snacks, and they just handed me this spring roll over here. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I'm gonna give it a try. You know what? That was pretty good. I think the clown over there agrees. Shoreline Pier is officially open, so while no one's here, let's explore the land a little bit. Starting with what was right behind me, the Flyers. This is one of 3 rides that came from Six Flags America. It is now called Flying Scooters and used to be French Quarter Flyers. And this is a much needed flat ride in this park. I love Flyers, and these are really good ones. I rode these earlier in the summer, and you can snap these. So highly recommend giving this a try if you're really into flyer attractions. You also have the Wave Swinger, which is great to see back in this park. There used to be a Wave Swinger where Sky Screamer was. So it's once again great having this in the park, and it's in a really fantastic location right in the middle of Shoreline Pier. Across the midway, you can also see Hypno Twister, another visually appealing ride for this park. I'll be honest, the Nebula's attractions aren't necessarily my favorite things, but they definitely do have their fans, and it does look really, really cool when this thing starts moving. And lastly, Barrels of Fun, which makes definitely weird noises, but it's all in fun. This used to be Raging Cajun at Six Flags America, and it is pretty much the exact same ride. So if you're into spinning wild mice, like Primeval Whirl, the Tickler at Coney Island, same ride here, although this one's notorious for spinning a lot more than other variations of the ride. Oh, look. I guess it's open, so I have not done this yet. Maybe I'll give it a ride. Boff was open. I'm gonna call it Boff from now on. It's better that way. But Boff was good. It has not lost any of that Raging Cajun energy in the slightest. And look at that, even the Wave Swinger is now going.
Look at this dude with a Zen ride.
Here with a few friends who are also here for the announcement.
Hello.
I don't know, what do you think is coming?
Grimace.
Grimace. That's a great answer.
Box combo, no slaw, extra toast.
We serve food here, sir.
You do? You don't say.
Look at this random fog that came in.
Is Grimace inside?
I don't know.
I didn't think of that.
I don't know. I have a few theories about what's in this box, but I'm not sure.
It's a sea monster.
A sea monster.
Yeah. You see the claws.
I
There's, she keeps talking about the claws.
Yeah,
She's the one with the claws.
don't know of any sea monsters that have claws.
takes you 5 minutes. I'm not dealing with sea monsters. I got anxiety. I got back problems. I got all kinds of things wrong with me.
I'm in the middle of a work dispute. We gotta get out of here.
All of them are just can't do that. Ryan, there's a sea monster. There's a sea monster. There's no sea monster in there.
No sea
No,
monster.
there's no sea monster. Highly doubt it. I doubt it.
So lots going on here in the boardwalk with that mysterious crate. So I think we've been observing it long enough, theorizing. So let's finally figure out what exactly is rising from the depths of the ocean.
I know you want to open it. Some of you. I think some of you don't want to open it. I think the crowd wants us to open it. But before we do that, I want to do a presentation. So we're going to make you wait like 10 minutes. Wait 10 minutes. Hello everyone, I am Ryan Eldridge. I am the Sales and Marketing Director here at Six Flags Great Adventure. We are thrilled that you have joined us today. Thank you for being here. Give yourselves a round of applause. Boy, that's sad. I have a 9-year-old soccer team of 13 players that gets louder than that. Come on! Who else is gonna do it? We have a special guest that I'm going to bring up to the stage to talk about Project Purple. Because Project Purple is not just a code name for this beautiful roller coaster behind me. And actually I got a glimpse of the crane, and that's here for a reason too. But it's not just for this behemoth that you see behind me. It is also a message. It's a cause. It is a call for hope, a call for light in the darkness. It is a call for awareness and fundraising for pancreatic cancer, which is a cause near and dear to many of us here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Project Purple has been working hard, not just nationally, but specifically here in the tri-state, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, to ensure that families have access to care and funds that they need as they navigate all the uncertainties of pancreatic cancer. So without further ado, I have to welcome to the stage a guy that I cold called and sent an email to that he swore wasn't real, the president, or the CEO, right Dino, and founder of Project Purple, Dino Varelli. Please join me on the stage.
Thank you to the Six Flags Corporation for their support of our mission. Thank you to Ryan and Mike and everyone here in New Jersey at Six Flags, from the front to the back to the security. You guys have been awesome. So this is really special. As Ryan mentioned, I'm the founder and CEO of Project Purple. I lost my dad to pancreatic cancer and been on this mission for over 16 years now to help find a cure for this awful, awful cancer. All cancers are awful, but pancreatic cancer is really, really bad. But this partnership has been amazing, to say the least. Ryan was not joking. I thought this was a joke when the email came through from someone at Six Flags about this potential partnership. And we have been so excited about this. So we hope that this thing behind us continues to live on as Project Purple. Selfishly, I know there is a reveal today, but thank you to you guys for putting that out there, and whoever was the one that started that. We really appreciate it. It means the world to us to raise awareness and be here today for this very special event.
All right, without further ado, we're going to show you what's inside Mike Fainal's brain. Our park president will join me on the stage. Mr. Mike Fainal, everybody, a man who is critical to the vision and the future here at Six Flags Great Adventure.
So, like many of you, I've been following all the speculation, every theory, every idea that you guys have had. So let's talk about a couple of them. Oh no. Phantom Spire. Well, then there was, this other one.
Yes.
We've got the GVV. That was my favorite. Gargantuan Vertical Vengeance. You guys love that one.
They're so quiet. I think some of them
Unlike
believed
you,
it.
I
I think some of them believed it in their heart.
I think they were scared. We might have had a little fun. But watching everybody speculate about this ride reminded us of something. Everyone loves a mystery. But today, the mystery ends.
They've been waiting for the name for a long time, so might as well keep it going, right? Or should we show them the name? Maybe we give them the name?
Let's give them the name.
We give them the name?
Let's give them the name. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's show you what you're about to meet in 2027. in my eyes, it would be from like a romantic song or something, but man, that got me going.
BAKUNAWA.
BAKUNAWA, the world's tallest and fastest spinning coaster, will be the world's multi-launch, record-breaking roller coaster here at Six Flags Great Adventure that will challenge the limits of even some of our most avid roller coaster fans.
This is inspired by one of the most feared creatures in the Philippine mythology, a serpent said to swallow the moon. This ride features 3 launches, the first one shooting you out of the station at 60 miles an hour. Then you will go from 60 to 80 miles an hour in the world's longest inverted stall, which will also be the world's first upside-down launch.
Yeah, and did we mention the world's fastest inversion, Mr. Fainal, at 80 miles an hour? 80.
From there, you're going to climb 90 degrees straight up to the top of the 382-foot tall tower, reaching the top and kind of sliding around the outside, which looks terrifying and amazing at the same time, before losing speed, and then you get to do it all again in reverse.
And look, this is one of the most marketable things about this ride that I love the most. No 2 rides are the same. When you are at the top of the spire, you could be looking downward, looking upward, or maybe even looking sideways as you make your way back to Earth.
Again, you'll be looking downward as you are in that floorless spinning experience headed back to Earth.
2 trains, supported by a switch track. Mox engineers and our creative team here at Six Flags Great Adventure use every ounce of imagination to make this ride possible.
Right, beginning today, you can purchase or renew a 2027 season pass at the lowest price available this year or next.
Benefits include unlimited visits, free parking, access to other Six Flags parks like Dorney Park in the region, and admission to fan favorite events such as Fright Fest and, drum roll, maybe? Holiday in the Park. Yeah, it's coming back. Should have an event for that too, I think, Mr. Fainal.
And a 2027 season pass will be your ticket to be among the first riders when this beast opens next spring.
Launching, spinning, twisting, downward, upward, sideways.
6 world records.
6 world records, 3 launches, 382 feet, 100 miles an hour. Are you ready to meet how you will accomplish this feat?
Yes.
No. Are you ready to meet what is inside the container? Operator, lift that crane.
There it is! Ladies and gentlemen, there it is! Can you imagine?
So there it is behind me, BAKUNAWA, which is going to be the world's tallest, the world's fastest spinning roller coaster made by Mach Rides, and it's a floorless train. Did not expect that. And I love the name BAKUNAWA. In my opinion, it's better than any of the tease names that have been out there for a while. So yeah, that's it. The mystery's over. BAKUNAWA opening in 2027 here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Whoa, they're rolling in the merch. Oh my goodness. Before we check out the shirts and other merch, I was gifted by the park this amazing poster for BAKUNAWA with the stats on the bottom there and a BAKUNAWA button. We are here now at the merch cart that we saw before, so we can finally get a look at what these shirts actually look like. So there's purple variations here, launching 2027 Six Flags Great Adventure with the logo and everything. There's also sweatshirts that feature the logo as well with the BAKUNAWA name right up front. But that's not all. There are also thermoses, cups, whatever you want to call them here with BAKUNAWA. Here's a better look at the front of that shirt, launching 2027. And then lastly, a bunch of hats. Very nice hats too. I actually really like that. Now that the park's open, I could get a little closer to the train and you can actually hear all these sea monster noises as well, which are very, very Cool. Honestly, you're gonna have a really big gap between where you're sitting up and where the track is. So when you're high up there, you're really gonna be separated looking down, up, whatever direction you are, really. And that's gonna do it for our BAKUNAWA announcement day. Thank you so much to Six Flags Great Adventure for inviting me out here to cover this. I am truly honored to be able to do this as part of East Coaster Fan. And I hope you guys are excited to come out to Six Flags Great Adventure to ride BAKUNAWA in 2027. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, and if you really liked it, be sure to subscribe for more roller coaster and amusement park content like this. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.